LeadsLeap is not only a free traffic source, it's also a very unique marketing system with a free sales funnel builder. Welcome. Today I would like to show you one of my favorite LeadsLeap features. Let's get started. With LeadsLeap you have the ability to duplicate landing pages or sales pages that have been created by other LeadsLeap members. If you have a capture page or landing page that you would like to share with your team, simply give the share code to your team. It's really that easy. I like the idea of share codes because it makes sharing very easy and efficient. Thanks to LeadsLeap you don't have to be a guru in order to create a simple funnel that can be shared with your team and friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a share code, then I'll show you how to use the share code to replicate a LeadsLeap landing page, capture page, or sales page. This will only take a minute. Let's watch as Rod uses a share code to duplicate a capture page that can be shared with other marketers. In this example, Rod will duplicate this capture page by using his share code. Let's get started. Simply log into your LeadsLeap account and look for Page Manager. After that, click Page Manager to access the LeadsLeap page builder. Once you have access to the page builder, simply click Add New Campaign. After that, you will need to give the campaign a name. Think of a name for your campaign, then enter the details, then click Add New. On the next page, click the button that says Add New Page to start. After that, a drop-down menu will appear. You will have two options. In this case, you will need to insert the share code in the slot that says Import Now. After you add the code, simply click Import Now. Now you only have two more steps. The first thing you need to do is make sure that your new page is active. After you have the green light, click the link to your page and open the page in a new window. If the page looks good, you are done. If not, you will need to go back and click the Activate button. Thank you for watching. As always, we wish you success beyond your own expectations.